A microscope is an intricate instrument that allows us to peer into the unseen world, revealing the intricate details of tiny structures that are otherwise invisible to the naked eye. This powerful device transforms our understanding of biology, chemistry, and material science, opening up avenues of exploration that once seemed almost magical. At its core, a microscope typically uses a combination of lenses to magnify objects. The primary lens, known as the objective lens, works closely with ocular lenses to enhance the viewing experience. Together, they can magnify an object many times over, unveiling the complex worlds of cells, bacteria, and fine minerals. Imagine zooming into the velvet of a leaf, where you discover the minuscule cells, each with its own distinct shape and size, working harmoniously to sustain life. There are various types of microscopes, each tailored for specific applications. Light microscopes, for instance, use visible light to illuminate specimens, making them ideal for observing live cells and organisms. In contrast, electron microscopes utilize beams of electrons, achieving astonishing magnifications that can reveal the structure of atoms. This capability allows scientists to investigate the fine details of materials, from the surface textures of metals to the intricate architectures of biological cells. The ability to observe minute details has significant implications for various scientific fields. In medicine, microscopes are indispensable for diagnosing diseases by examining samples of blood or tissue, revealing patterns that indicate illness. In research and development, they enable scientists to study interfaces in drug formulation processes, leading to the advancement of pharmaceuticals. Additionally, the realms of forensics and quality control in manufacturing rely heavily on microscopy to ensure standards are met. Furthermore, the educational potential of microscopes is immense. They ignite curiosity in students, allowing them to explore their surroundings at a molecular level. A simple pond water sample can unveil a teeming ecosystem, providing first-hand experience of microbial life. This not only enriches the learning process, but also fosters a deeper appreciation for the complexity of the natural world. In conclusion, microscopes are much more than mere instruments. They are gateways to understanding the fundamentals of our universe. By unveiling the intricate details of small worlds, they empower research, open educational pathways, and play a pivotal role in several scientific disciplines.